What if one lightweight, flexible solar panel could become a portable battery charger for a 12 to 24 volt system, or even a more powerful 36 to 48 volt system? That's exactly what we're building today. We'll show how to build a powerful yet portable solar battery charger that even works on cloudy days. We'll provide options for charging different size batteries and fully test the system on a 48 volt golf cart. All right, we're super excited to have received this 200 watt flexible solar panel from BougeRV. All right, so we're going to put this on our golf cart and make our golf cart a complete solar off-grid vehicle. It has a lithium iron phosphate battery in it, and we want to see whether or not this 200 watt solar panel can make an impact on the charge of that battery. It's a big battery, so that's going to be interesting to see how long it will actually take this to charge it up. I'm guessing maybe 2 full days of sun, but we're going to check that out. All right, it comes with a great illustrated user's manual. I mean, BougeRV is a top-notch company. They really make quality stuff. This solar panel is thick. I don't know if you can see that. It's very thick, but it is flexible. It has some nice grommets in it. It's got 6 grommets for attaching. Super cool. And now down here, everything was very well packaged, by the way. Here we have our connectors, our solar panel wiring, and it's really nice that everything is standardized with MC4 connectors. They sent along this 40 amp MPPT charge controller. So like everything else they have, very well packaged, complete user's manual here for this charge controller. And it's easy to read, right? It's not some poor translation. And there's a temperature sensor, it looks like. Pull this puppy out of here and have a look. Here's the actual charge controller. And it's got a really nice, looks like a touch screen with an LCD type display. We'll have to look at that. And here's our connection ports, okay? So we have the temperature sensor, and then we have our PV input and our battery output. So here's everything we need to hook our flexible BougeRV 200 watt solar panel up to our golf cart. It's a pretty simple setup. First, we plug the solar panels into a PV disconnect switch. This is an important piece of equipment. It allows us to turn the whole thing off in case we need to work on the system or we're going to charge the cart a different way. This hooks directly into a boost charge controller. We need a boost charge controller because the output of the panel is less than the 48 volts of the battery. So we have to crank that up in order to charge it. So we get a boost charge controller. The boost charge controller output that charges the battery runs through an A&L fuse to protect everything, and then has positive and negative terminals to hook directly up to our lithium iron phosphate battery in the cart. All right, here we have a nice example setup of the completed system. We have our solar panel wired in through the PV disconnect switch, boost charge controller, and our fuse. This scenario will charge a 36 or 48 volt battery. Now to charge a 24 or 12 volt battery, like this Vatrer 12 volt battery, you want to use this charge controller. This is a BougeRV MPPT 40 amp charge controller. I think they also make a smaller one you could use. This will nicely take the output from a 200 watt panel and charge your 12 or 24 volt battery. 2 different options for a portable, off-grid, solar-powered battery charger. One of the best parts of this setup is how easy it is to take it with you. We can carry the entire charger assembly in one hand and the flexible panel in the other. Walk down to the boat, toss the panel up onto the top, and you're ready to start charging. No heavy rigid panels, no complicated mounting. Just grab it and go. For our real-world test, we use the new HIO Life Pro battery in the golf cart as a convenient 48 volt battery bank. Nora easily installs the flexible panel on the curved roof. She uses the built-in grommet holes with small bungee straps to lock the panel down quickly and securely. Okay, I had to make a couple of short pigtails so we could reach from the disconnect switch up to the solar panels. Nice thing about these MC4 connectors, they plug right in. It's totally portable. This just lays on the bottom. It's a portable solar charger for a golf cart. Next step is to wire these to the battery. Positive terminal, negative terminal.
I have been wanting to do this for so long. Make a solar golf cart out of our electric golf carts. It was so easy. It was unbelievable.
So before we started the charge test, we used a solar power meter to check the panel's output. It also attaches with convenient MC4 connectors and gives a direct reading of output power from the panel. Even on a partly cloudy day, it produced nearly 189 watts. We then tested the 48-volt charging system on the golf cart under both partly sunny and cloudy conditions. All right, still pretty cloudy here. We've been on this for, I guess, 5 hours. Let's have a look. We started at 80%. All right, let's see what we got. Whoa, 100% charged. We go from an 80% charge to a 100% charge in just about 5 hours. That translates to roughly 4% charge per hour into our 48-volt 50-amp-hour battery, even when the sky was cloudy. In practical terms, this high-voltage setup works like a trickle charger. We could charge the battery much faster if we plugged into the grid, but we don't use the cart that often, and we're happy to wait a few more hours using free power from the sun. And for an added bonus, we can even charge the battery while using the cart. We're extremely happy with these results and plan to purchase additional lightweight flexible solar panels to install on our other golf carts up at our off-grid eco camp in the Florida Wildlife Corridor. Just think about all the places a flexible solar panel like this can be used. On RV roofs, camper vans, boats and marine decks, overlanding, rooftop tents, off-grid cabins, or even charging your e-bike. This portable flexible panel makes it much easier to use solar power without always needing to tie into the grid or have a generator.
Our golf cart is powered by the sun. Thank you, BougeRV. That's empowering.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and visit us at ecohabs.org for more practical off-grid builds and real-world testing.